Lugong Construction Machinery introduced the new Dressta TD8S and TD9S series dozers to the North American market in June 2016. Dressta S-Series dozers are among the most advanced and reliable compact construction equipment in today's market. They employ well-proven logical design principles, are reliable, powerful, and easy to operate. The new S-Series dozers represent a real reinvigoration of the Dressta brand. They are industry-competitive machines specified for today's performance and operator standards with all features, technical and environmental requirements. The new Dressta S-Series TD8S and TD9S dozers are equipped with Tier 4 final Cummins engine with rated capacity of 94 horsepower net to 113 horsepower net respectively, as well as dual-path Rexroth hydrostatic drive, enhanced operators' comfort, and improved ease of operation for optimized productivity. And it comes with 3 operation modes to meet demanding environments. The full power mode generates 2,200 RPM for maximum power and drawbar pull to tackle all heavy pushing and ripping applications. The standard mode generates 2,050 RPM, producing extra traction and increased drawbar pull. The Eco mode generates 1,850 RPM for light-duty operations while maintaining up to 15% improved fuel efficiency. The new hydrostatic drive system features include a newly designed ergonomic left-hand joystick with improved steering control for smooth turns, pivoting, and counter-rotation with speed presetting function. The system provides constant power transfer. The final drives have multi-disc wet brakes and 2-step reduction, pinion-to-bowl gear, and planetary gear reduction. The sprockets are a one-piece ring casted with extra-strength steel. The system provides a drawbar pull of 38,000 pounds for TD8S and 41,000 pounds for TD9S, offering the best productivity in their class. The operator's cab is now 30% bigger, including a multiple mode filtration HVAC system to improve pressurization and assure clean airflow to the operator. Improved comfort, noise reduction, and the 6-sided cab provide excellent visibility. All instruments are conveniently located on an LED 7-inch size instrument panel. Each of the controls is ergonomically engineered for easy use and comfort. To meet a variety of job site requirements, Dressta compact dozers are available in 2 undercarriage versions, the long track and low ground pressure. The models can be equipped with track shoes starting from 16-inch width up to 28-inch width for most effective pulling and ripping operation to the best flotation operation on swampy terrain. The grade control system comes with 3 choices. It can be assembled with Trimble Basic, Trimble Ready, or Trimble Full 2D, 3D systems and laser packages. Dressta dozers were built to provide excellent customer value, satisfaction, and reliability. Dressta, engineered for your business.